Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching the NM lifestyle. Let's get started with this video. Solution to skinny guys to gain more muscle. So let's get started with this video. So the first most important thing you guys need to do is working out properly in proper form, and you need heavier weights so that your body activates all the muscle fibers in your muscle groups. And you need to eat a lot if you're a skinny guy, and if you can't put on muscle, you need a lot of food, and that's for sure. Eating should be your duty, it should be your work. So first you need to count the maintenance calories of your body, and then you need to increase the amount by 200 to 500 calories. Like if you're a person whose maintenance calories is 1600 calories, and if you're a skinny guy and wants to put on muscle, you increase at least 200 to 500 calories, and that's really important for you. If your goal is to build more muscle, include healthy foods in your diet, include natural foods, and don't include junk food in your meals. Your intake of protein should be much higher than any other thing, and protein will help you out to build more muscle. But if you really want to gain more muscle mass, you need carbs and fats too, because these three things are the most essential macronutrients of your body. So you need to keep track of them, and you need to keep protein on a high amount. Include dairy products, include more of protein, include more of green vegetables, and include a lot of fruits. So the second aspect to increase muscle mass is working out. Now working out is actually a big problem for skinny guys, because skinny guys lift a lot of weights and hit a lot of reps, and the reps are actually the repetitions of the single set you perform. Like, so let's say you're doing an exercise called the lat pull down, and you have 10 repetitions. That is, your one set consists of 10 reps, and 10 reps are actually the times you perform the single workout. Reps are called the amount of times you do the workout. When you pull down the bar and leave it again, that's called one single rep. To build more muscle, you need higher amount of weights, you need heavier weights, and lesser amount of reps to bring more strength to your body. But if you want more of your aesthetics, and if you want more hypertrophy, and if you want really big muscles, and if you just want the shape of the muscles, you need to take lighter weights with higher reps. That's gonna make your muscles look bigger. So a lot of people look at the workout part of building muscle, but they don't understand that diet is the most important key to get their body into proper shape, and that's where a lot of people go wrong. So the third most important thing is resting. Now if you're people who don't rest, a lot of young people don't rest just because they have a lot of things to do, and they can't keep track of your sleep, and you can't sleep enough. That's actually a problem in your growth, that's actually inhibiting your growth, and that's where you need to work on, and you need to rest. Your rest days are as important as your workout days, because your resting will allow the growth of muscles. So let me explain you the theory how your muscle builds up. So for the first part, when you work out, you break your muscles. When you work out, when you lift weights, your muscles are broken. When you lift weights, when you lift heavy weights, your muscles are broken. And when you go to your home, you have a proper diet and your proper recovery shake, that's when your body gets nutrients and gives nutrition to those muscles and lets them grow. Resting is really important just because it will cause the muscles to grow more. So if this video helped you guys, please do hit the like button and tell me in the comment section if you like it or not. And thank you for watching this video guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay fit, stay active, and stay hydrated because it's summer. If you haven't followed me on Instagram or Facebook, there's a link down below, so please do follow me over there. I upload videos like these every Monday and Friday, so if you're watching it to the end, please do hit the like button and share the video if you find it interesting. Thank you for watching this video guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. That's when your body takes nutrients from those muscles and gives it to the muscle.